Follow your heart. Summary. Let me tell you a simple but powerful story. This story is not about one person, but about you, me, and everyone who is trying to live a better life. It's a story about how to be happy, honest, and true to yourself. The ideas come from the book Follow Your Heart by Andrew Matthews. The book is like a wise friend who talks to you with kindness, fun drawings, and short stories. It helps you understand life, love, work, and happiness in a very easy way.
Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch another one. We think you'll love it. And don't forget to follow us for more easy English and amazing book summaries. See you soon.
1. Listen to your heart. Have you ever had a small voice inside you that says, "This is what I really want"? That voice is your heart. Andrew says, if you want a happy life, you must learn to listen to your heart. Sometimes people do things just to make others happy, their parents, friends, or teachers. But they forget what they really want. This book says, if you follow your heart, you will feel peaceful and alive. 2. Be yourself. Many people try to be someone else. They copy others, they wear what's popular, they say what others want to hear. But Andrew says, you are special. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to be you. He tells us, stop trying to please everyone. You will never be happy like that. When you are real, good people will love you for who you are. 3. Mistakes are okay. Do you make mistakes? Of course, we all do. But some people feel bad about it for a long time. Andrew says, mistakes are part of life. They help us grow. If you never make mistakes, you never try anything new. So next time you fail, just smile and say, okay, I learned something. Laugh at your mistakes, don't cry over them. The happiest people are not perfect. They are just brave enough to try. 4. You choose your thoughts. This part is very important. The book says, your thoughts create your life. What you think becomes how you feel. If you always think, I'm not good enough, then you feel sad. But if you think, I can do this, you feel stronger. So how can you change your thoughts? Start by saying good things to yourself. Smile more. Be thankful for small things. Your mind is like a garden. If you plant flowers, you will get beauty. If you plant weeds, bad thoughts, you will get problems. 5. Life has ups and downs. Andrew tells us that life is not always easy. Sometimes things go wrong. Sometimes people hurt us. But that's part of the journey. Don't fight the hard times. Instead, learn from them. He says, even rain is good for the flowers. That means bad days help us grow, and good days become even more beautiful after hard ones. 6. Do what you love. What makes you smile? What makes time fly when you do it? Maybe it's painting, cooking, writing, dancing, or helping people. Andrew says, find what you love and do more of it. Some people say, but I don't have time, or I'm not good enough. Forget that. Start small. Even 10 minutes a day doing what you love can bring you happiness and energy. 7. Laugh more. One of the best parts of the book is this. Don't take life too seriously. Laugh at your problems sometimes. Enjoy silly things. Watch funny shows. Play with kids. Talk to a funny friend. Laughter helps your heart. It makes life easier. It also helps you connect with others. 8. Love and be kind. Andrew says that love is the most important thing in life. Not just romantic love, but love for your family, your friends, your pets, your dreams, and yourself. And kindness? It's magic. When you smile at someone, you give them a small gift. When you say something nice, you make the world better. You don't need money or power to make people happy. You just need a kind heart. 9. You are the hero. In the end, this book tells you one big truth. You are the hero of your own story. You can make your life amazing. You don't have to wait. You don't need to be rich, famous, or perfect. You just need to start today, follow your heart, and take one small step at a time. If you keep going, if you keep being honest, kind, and true to yourself, you will create a life full of love and joy. So, what is the message of this book? It's simple. Be yourself. Listen to your heart. Laugh, love, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Life is short. Enjoy it. And always remember, you are enough. Conclusion. In the end, Follow Your Heart is not just a book. It's a gentle guide for living a better, happier life. It teaches us that we don't have to be perfect, rich, or popular to feel joy. We just need to be ourselves, do what we love, and treat others with kindness. Life will always have good days and bad days. But when we listen to our heart, we find the courage to keep going, to laugh, to learn, and to grow. We are not here to follow someone else's path. We are here to create our own. So take a deep breath, trust yourself, follow your dreams, and remember, the best journey in life is the one where you follow your heart